How to fix Shopify's order cannot be shipped to your location. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's just go and fix it real quick. So first, we simply just want to go to the settings from the bottom left. Usually this is going to be a problem if you messed around with the shipping and delivery options, because you may have deselected some zones, and this is why you get that error. So if we just go to shipping and delivery next, click on that. And then here in the shipping tab, we simply just want to click on it. Now here you're going to have the domestic one. So it's going to show you all the different rates for your domestic zone. Make sure this is available, because I mean, just to sum things up, you need to ensure that every zone, every shipping zone is going to have rates for them. Otherwise you're going to get that error. So make sure that all countries or zones are selected for that to happen. So for example, the international one here is going to have its own rates. So if you just click on edit zone, make sure that all of these are selected. For example, you may actually have UK turned off or Sweden, and you basically just want to ensure that they are selected. Click on done. And secondly, make sure that you actually have a rate for it. So if this is not here, all you need to do is just click on add rate. And just, you can just do a flat rate, for example, and we can just go for international, and then we can just add the price point for it. So again, just make sure that these zones are available and also they have proper rates to them. Otherwise, they're not going to work. So ensure that the international has all the countries selected. So once this is done, you simply just want to save and you should be good to go. Now you shouldn't have that problem anymore, hopefully. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.